Namaskar. I am Dinesh Babu Tripathi again. In this video of English shorthand, the exercise circle S and Z. Chapter 7 circle S and Z will be discussed. Circle S and Z means in this chapter you will find that the consonants S and Z are represented by like this S and Z. This is dark. I am writing with this. This is dark. This is light. S, Z. S, Z. By the stroke. S and Z are represented by the stroke. But in shorthand, under this rule, this S and Z are also represented by circle, small zero. Small circle like this. So there are some rules for this. Initially this circle represents the sound of yes only. Initially this circle represents the sound of yes only. But medially and finally it represents the sound of yes and Z, both, as the case may be. The sound of Z initially must be represented by the stroke. If initially Z is there, then it will be written by stroke. But if medially or finally, then it will be represented by zero. This is small circle. So left motion in somewhere in this chapter and the following pages, following lecture, following video, the term left motion. Left motion means a motion of hand in writing the long hand letter like this, left hand side. The opposite motion being the right hand side. So the circle is written like this or like this as per the case. The circle S is written inside the curve. And outside angle formed by two straight strokes and with the left motion when joined at straight strokes at forming an angle. So I will first tell you the grammolax based on this. So you will further understand the position. The grammolog usual or usually. Usual or usually, this is Z. Yes, Z, Z. Ish. This small circle represents as or as the case may be. You can decide as per the dictation. As this small circle. Because K, this small circle, because itself those on the line है, those thyself, this on the line or cutting the line thus. So this is the grammar based on this. So in the next video I will explain you further. Thanks.